Good afternoon. It's that time of the week again. Time to change my bed. Today I've decided to give it a quick hoover and wash my mirror as well. So I definitely need company to keep me going on this one. I have gone for the unicorn bedding, I hope. I think that's the one I've got out anyway. So I'm going to get up, do a bit of a hoover, clean the mirror down, then we'll change the bed together. How does that sound? I'm going to stand up now and get my pipe. Loud noise. So now I'm going to bring you in, I think, to do the rest. I'm going to unplug you because we finished with the hoover. Just bring all this in, close the door, push you back here for a change, and Mr. Producer set me all up. Look, I'm using the Dettol today to clean the mirror. So yes, let's get off these marks, shall we, that I saw last night. Nothing worse than having marks on your mirror when you're trying to do your makeup. There really isn't. Especially when you're not sure what the marks are. Do you know what I mean? Looks better already. There we go. Let's do prepare a little bit as far as I can reach because we're not getting on no platforms today. Not a chance. Right, I've got another cloth here to wipe all that off. And then it should dry nicely then. Should do. I'm hoping it does. Really am. But then an imprint of my hair on it's probably not the best thing to do. So now we're going to change the bed together. Let's just put this back a minute, shall we? I know some people are getting a bit fed up with the cleaning ones, but we have to change the bed together. It's just a common occurrence now. Every week, isn't it? Right, can you see my head there? Let's tilt you up a bit so you can see the head as well. Hi! Pull the leggings up. And let's get this big bad wolf off my bed, shall we? Yes, I like that idea a lot. Big bad wolf. I like my big bad wolves. I like my big bad dragons as well. Not really fussed which animal, as long as it's a nice one. I'm going to do a little trick now. I'm going to put all that down here using my sheet. Come on. Yay, it worked. I'm surprised. It's a bit like pulling the tablecloth off, isn't it? When the waiters do that and everything stays on. So Sometimes it does it, sometimes it doesn't. I like my bedroom. I just keep thinking of how many books I've got to read though. Something always gets in the way though, doesn't it? Always. But that's life. Was it Frank Sinatra that said that? That's life? Not sure. I'm not big up on my Rat Pack. I know a couple of the songs, but I'm not 100% sure who sung them. I can picture them in my mind. I've watched a couple of programs about them. I can't quite. Is it Sammy Davis Jr.? I don't know. I don't think it'd be Junior, would it? Somehow. Right, so we've got everything off. Now, my darlings, it's time to put everything back on. I know, that's the part you hate the most. Let's start with one corner and work our way around, shall we? There's a tag in these leggings that are really chafing my back. I think it needs cutting out. I think that will be the next job after I finish doing this. What do you think? Make sure there's no creases. You don't want no lumps in the night, do we? Or bumps. Nothing worse than having a lump in your back that you just can't get rid of. I'm not on about Mr. Producer. Come on, Mr. Corner. Over here. Big lump in the bed. I know I say it every video I do this, but I so need a new bed. It's ridiculous now. The springs are actually popping up to say hello. It's not good. It's very uncomfortable. Getting no sleep whatsoever. For all the wrong reasons. I want to be able to get in the bed and it not creak. Do you know what I mean? It'd be nice if it didn't creak when I got in. It even creaks though when Mr. Producer gets in. So even his side started creaking now. That means it's definitely time for a new one. It's only got one drawer to hold all the bed in, and that's broke, which isn't good, is it? We'll get one. When summer hits, we're going to walk round and look for one. I know we keep saying it. Ooh, falling over. I've still got that conga song in my head. I don't know why I always get the conga song in my head when I'm talking to you guys. I really don't know why. But at least I got a different one earlier with the Rat Pack, didn't I? Let's pull them up a bit. They're falling down again. It's not good, is it? Not good at all. Yes, it looks like I've got to go back to Primark. Take that red top / dress back. Change it for something else. Might do that at the weekend. Do you fancy coming with me? See what I can do on that one. Done. That one never wants to go in properly. I think it's because it's a square pillow trying to fit in a rectangle pillowcase. Doesn't always work, does it? It's like a square peg trying to fit in a round hole. It never works. I think that's the wrong way around. And it is. I love my unicorn one. think I would have told you on another video how much it was and where I got it from. But if I haven't, I got it from Asda on Boxing Day in the sale. And it had gone down from £18, because that's how much they charge for king size quilts, covers, sets. And it had gone down to £9. Now to me, that's a bargain. It really is. And you know how much I love my Asda for bargains. Oh yes. Let's chuck that on there. Oh, all heavy today. Everything feels heavy. Oh, never mind. It's a good workout in itself making a bed, isn't it? It really is. I'm surprised Mr. Producer didn't want me to do it in that white top. What do you think? Having a workout. Seeing that I can't get in my gym yet, because it's still full of furniture. Oh, there we go. Fasten up the bum. And then we'll straighten it all out. Can't we? Oh, yes we can. I don't think I'll change the colour in here though, when I change the bed. Because no Mr. Producer will want to decorate it all. Clean it all out properly. I like the colour though. I just want a picture at the back, above the bed. Like I had before that said sweet dreams. But it all started peeling off. So I'll have to get another one. One time. Don't want anything that will fall and smack me in the head in the night though. Don't really want that accident to happen somehow. Imagine explaining that at A&E. Yeah, something just fell and smacked me on the head while I was in bed. Yeah, I don't think they'd believe me somehow. But there's my beautiful unicorn. Alive and well. So, here we go. Show my beautiful unicorn. Hello, Pegasus. So there we have it, guys. Let's move the finger. Take a photo. Thank you for joining me as usual on my lovely bed making and my mirror washing today. I will talk to you all very soon. Give me a like on the video, subscribe to all 4 of my channels, and for sneak peeks on where I am on the World Wide Web, follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Adelesexyuk. And I'll talk to you all soon. Goodbye.